Saturday. I polled the crew over on Instagram about what they wanted to learn more about. Most of you said how to eat more protein. So I decided on this lovely spring Saturday to take you along and show you how I get 125 grams of protein every single day. We have had our morning dose of 30 grams before coffee, out on a little walk. It's beautiful in the Tetons. A little chilly, could be warmer. But come along for a day in the life of eating 125 grams of protein, even on the weekends. Breakfast, got 3 fried eggs, really simple, but eggs are amazing source of protein. Bacon, I don't eat bacon super often, but love it like on the weekends. Avocado for some healthy fats, and then a delicious sumo orange. Oftentimes I'll do like a little side of greens with some oil and vinegar on it, but I don't have any right now. So this is what we got. We got 30 grams of protein on this plate. We are up to 60 grams today. 65 to go. I have gotten so sucked into my day. My Saturday, I've been doing laundry. Amazing. I have been getting organized with some work stuff and getting caught up. We are going to an amazing conference in San Francisco in May next month, and I've been prepping and planning our booth, which has been kind of fun. But it is a little after 1. And I'm headed out to Grand Teton National Park with some friends to go rollerblading. So gonna put together a quick lunch and get out the door. Classic me, I'm like running late out the door. So we have, I'll show you, I heated up some leftover chicken thighs, some leftover coconut rice, and cottage cheese, buffalo sauce, pickled beets, and cherry tomatoes, the little buffalo bowl. Here we go. The most non-aesthetic but nourishing food. So this is lunch. There is about 45 grams of protein in here. This is what happens when you buy $20 roller skates from the used sports store. All my friends are way up there. But the view is nice. I'll let you get ahead of me. Oh, it is somehow 6 o'clock. Just getting back from the park from our rollerblade mission, and I am starving. I'm gonna run into the grocery store. I think I have a plan for dinner, but I really want some ice cream. So let's go to Whole Foods and get a few things. Okay, let's do a quick little haul. I got some greens, just some spring mix, a couple more sumos, raspberries, chicken breakfast sausage, love this stuff, more eggs, obviously, and I honestly don't always get organic eggs. I try to get the pasture raised because I have noticed that they have like the most yellow or orange yolks, and that's a sign of a good egg for me. Cottage cheese, some ancestral blend beef, microgreens. I haven't been getting enough like leafy greens lately, so trying to up that, especially now that it's spring and they're a little bit more in season. And last but not least, pistachio ice cream. We got some protein in there. I'm honestly hungry, but I don't feel like making dinner yet. And this has been my, I don't want to say guilty pleasure because I don't really believe in guilty pleasures, but lately I've been having a bowl of Crispix as a snack. Not the healthiest snack, not something I would choose normally, but a friend was eating these while camping a few weeks ago, last weekend. And I used to eat these as a kid, and I was like, whoa, I want Crispix. I'm gonna have a little bowl of Crispix. Let's look at the nutritional facts on this. Is there any protein in here? Oh, 3 grams. And I like to use this A2 milk, cream top milk. I seriously love milk. I'm a milk drinker for sure. So 1 cup, 9 grams protein. So totally this snack has 10 grams protein. Probably not the best sources of protein, but you know what? Delicious. So good. You know how I know that cereal just isn't it? I ate that bowl of cereal like 10 minutes ago. Still not satisfied. So I'm gonna make dinner. Let's do it. So I have a couple of these Butcher Box ground beef patties, and I'm not gonna use them for burgers. I'm just gonna cook them up. I'm basically gonna make like a bibimbap style Asian bowl with kimchi and rice and beef, and that's gonna be dinner. I am using a little bit of this gochujang, which is a Korean chili pepper paste in the ground beef. It's so good. I love this stuff. Oftentimes when you buy gochujang, I got this one at Whole Foods, but when you buy it, there'll be a lot of sugar in it, and this one is pretty good. And it's got 1 gram of protein in there. Okay, so I heated up some coconut rice that was left over that I had made. It looks like this beef is done with the gochujang, so I'm just gonna make up a little bowl here. And then we're going to top with some Korean style kimchi. Great for the gut. And I just quick pickled some cucumbers in a little bit of rice wine vinegar. And to add a little bit of greens, I'm just gonna put a little microgreens on top of it. Little Korean bowl. Add a little organic shoyu. Probably saying that wrong. Oops, that was a lot. So before I even made dinner, I was at 115 grams of protein for the day. With this, I'm probably hitting 145 for the day. So we crushed it. And this is really good. Delicious. And it took maybe 10 minutes.